Yo, what is going on? Good morning. This is Andrew, known as Zero Drew, Pick Catcher Administration. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like this shit, subscribe, keep us motivated to put this content out every single fucking day. We're here with a live call, so let's get into it. On the daily chart, we have this bull trap back into this 500 key value, right? So we're looking for a reaction to that level right there. If you look on the hourly chart, we have bull traps to this level right here. So right now there is downward momentum, right? All right, so that is what we read. Now come on the 15-minute chart, right? All buyers' liquidity is above this level right here, because as you can see, we have this garter-like pattern. We didn't get buy traps. So we're gonna wait for sellers to become fully exhausted down here. Once they become exhausted, we're gonna look for that buy opportunity up to right here. First above there, first and then there. This is going to be the first U, but I know that we're going to have to come up to that level at least. But we're going to wait for sellers to become exhausted first, and then once sellers are exhausted, we're going to trade towards that level, and that level. We'll see you in a bit. Let's go. As you can see, price moved to buyer liquidity. I wanted to enter the buy, but didn't give me the fucking chance. So I think price wants to drop in. Once we take it out, we're going to look for the buy up to here, because I think we want to squeeze. I really hope it gives me the fucking chance. We're going to do our best not to enter and chase this fucking thing, because it just keeps squeezing, not giving me a fucking chance to enter this damn trade. If you look at what's happening on the... Don't you love when you call a fucking move and you can't get in? I love that shit. It's the best. Look at this 1 minute chart. Up. No way to get in that trade. Now we're at buyer liquidity, right? The U resistance. I want to see price come in, and then I want to see it come out. Like this, out, and boom, that's it. Let's go. Hopefully it sets up, because I want to make some money today. Like I said, I do want price to come in, back out, and then we're going to squeeze up to these levels right here. This is where all buyers' liquidity is overall, so once the bears are trapped, we're going to enter the buy opportunity. We need to wait for the trap, though. Not jumping shit. Got to calm down. We'll get it. Let's go. Alright guys, we're fucking finally pulling back. Alright, let's go. Calm down now. Now we can get something. So, possibly, like I said, wait for a bear trap here. We're not going to jump in until it's confirmed. All buyers' liquidity is above here. So once we get that set up, we'll enter. And let's get it. You got to keep in mind, we are bearish overall. So there is a possibility that this bull trap does set up, but I do want to buy it towards that buyer liquidity level. So we'll be back and let's get it. If I am going to take a short, we need price to drop a little bit lower. We need another confirmation for another bull trap somewhere lower. So we'll be back and let's go. Alright, as you can see, we're fucking plummeting now. This is why you don't chase trades, fellas. We're going to get something today. This is going to be a good video. I'm going to show you guys how to be patient, still get this shit. Let's go. Alright guys, we're smashing that fucking buy right now. We're holding it all the way up. Let's go. This is going to be our first target. Then we're going to squeeze it all the way back up. Let's get it. Alright guys, we're going to wrap this shit up. We're going to get out of this buy position. It's 11:30 right now. We're going to call it a day. We entered somewhere down here, out here. Pretty decent day. It is Monday, so we'll be back tomorrow. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like this shit, subscribe to the channel, keep us motivated to put this content out every fucking day. Other than that, normally I'd hold the trade, but it's 11:30 right now. All buyer liquidity is up here. I do see price moving up to that level, so especially with this rejection being taken out, probably be a better idea to move the stop loss there. But hey, you know, we're just gonna get the fuck out. All right guys, subscribe, like, comment. Love you all. Take care.